friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 most beautiful eyes in the world. Number 10. Olga Kurilenko. Olga Kostyantynova Kurilenko is a Ukrainian French individual who started modeling at the age of 18 and continued on her career from the age of 16, figuratively starting her acting career in the year 2005. Her green eyes are one of the most stunning features. They are the essence of true beauty. She is known for her dominant personality in movies like James Bond. Number 9. Adriana Lima. Adriana Lima is an actress from Brazil, popularly known Victoria's Secret Angel and as a delegate for Maybelline Cosmetic around the time of 2003 to 2008. She is famous for having acted in films like The Follow, being her first ever film in the year 2001. Number 8. Penelope Cruz. Penelope Cruz from Mocobin de Madrid of the nation of Spain, popular to the world as an actress. She was acted in famous movies like The Girl of Your Dreams and Open Your Eyes. She beautiful in every aspect, while her most recognizable and fascinating feature in her hazel-colored eyes. Number 7. Zhao Wei. Zhao Wei is a well-known Chinese singer and also an actress who has acted in movies like Shaolin Soccer and Painted Skin, which are very popular around the globe. She has also won awards like the Shanghai Critics Award and the 100 Flowers Award for her performance. Instead of all these features and achievements, her most wonderful quality is her black eyes. Number 6. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, one of the famous Indian celebrities known for acting in Bollywood movies like Raincoat and Mohabbatein. She is one of the winners of the Miss World contest at the age of 21. Her enthralling green eyes is one of her unique features which alter her from a vast crowd of individuals. Number 5. Rihanna. Rihanna is a very well-known singer from the African community. Her green eyes are meant to be very irresistible and also controversial at the same time. Rihanna uses green contact lenses as they think her real green colored eyes are not real and the actual color of her eyes are brown. Number 4. Alexandra Daddario. Alexandra Daddario is very well famous for her beauty and for having a perfect body structure with amazing curves and her sleek black hair. Her most iconic feature is her bright blue colored eyes. As for the high intensity of their brightness, her eyes are very enchanting and could draw an individual's attention and fascinating at the same time. Number 3. Mila Kunis. Mila Kunis, well known for the role in the Great Sit.com named That 70s Show, where she acted at the age of 14 in movies like Friends with Benefits. Not everyone knows of her each eye having two different colors because this was not a condition since she was an infant. This condition, termed as heterochromia, is characterized by color differences of the iris. Number 2. Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie is one of the famous Hollywood actresses known to be one of the world's most beautiful women from Los Angeles. Angelina Jolie is even famous for her sexual blue eyes too. Angelina Jolie loves to match her dressing sense with her eye color. Number 1. Megan Fox. Megan Fox is known to the whole world for her beauty and growth through her roles in the movies like Transformers and Jennifer's Body or Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. But this is not the only thing for which she is famous. If any person has seen her, that individual would have had a glance at her irresistible blue eyes, which seems to be compassionate and smoky at the same time. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.